Right, welcome back to Welding with Grandad. Let's set up for plasma cutting. So we're on TIG at the moment, 67 amps. So what we'll do, this finger here, it's not the middle finger, it's the forefinger. So you press that, cold, MMA. You had a solenoid come in then, and cut. And another solenoid's just gone in. Right, now, I've been misleading. Those three things there are for digital display for voltage, pulse width and pulse time. Now if you pull the trigger, which I'm going to do now, and then it comes back on when the arc's been struck. So that's that. And I've got, swing him round, 40 amps, because I know it blows fuses above that. And the light above the top there, that is just visible, that's amps. So, what's good about this machine is now they've finally started to listen. What you can do, there's an inch button for bringing your wire through, we'll discuss that later, and then there's a gas cylinder there. So what you can do, you can, for all the other processes that require shielding gases, you can press that and put your flow indicator on top of your nozzle. So it gives you a fair blow. Right, so I think that's covered it. So you click down, TIG, cut. You haven't even got a choice of triggers. It's just pull the trigger, let go, 2T. That one tells you when you're not even looking when you're striking an arc, so you don't notice that. So you've got 40 amps and that's it. Bob's your uncle. That's for cutting. Right, I'll loop all this together if I can. So end of message.